an iconic cultural celebration celebrating the sacred tooth relic of Buddha in an entire country. With a lengthy history is the well-known Kandy Esala Perahera. Lesser-known features of this fascinating procession include its historical roots, the careful selection of the tusker bearing the relic, colorful traditional acts, and the symbolic Dia Kapima ritual. This Perahera is also known as the Esala Perahera. If you are curious about what is the tradition of Esala Perahera, it is an annual festival. This sacred festival spans 10 days every year. People around the world visit Kandy during the Esala Perahera season. Even locals consider watching the Esala Perahera to be a blessing for the well-being of their lives. The Esala Perahera beautifully displays Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage and Buddhist customs. Residents and tourists are drawn to it to see its beautiful events, observances of faith, and customary events. The festival serves as a means of maintaining and advancing the nation's cultural identity and celebrating religious devotion.